Why am I sensing an underlined message here? Mhm.
So I've been getting leads on a number of crimes that have been happening in the corporate area. And we've been putting in some good work, and we need somebody to cover the work that we've been doing. The public needs to know.
And who is this we?
Myself and Minister Daly, you see, what we want is to.
Oh, now I get it. It's election time, and you need a PR team to embellish your stories.
Ren, no, that's not it.
That's exactly it, Jonathan. I've been in this business long enough, and I know how it works. I report the news. I don't make it up.
I promise you, that is not what this is.
These politicians can fool you, not me. You just count me out.
All right. Can you at least give me the benefits of giving you an explanation before you tear it down?
Okay, I'm listening.
All right. But listen objectively. Please.
I'm listening, sir.
All right. So, this is what we're planning.
Me, I tell you, dog, brother, my whole seven rifle gone, bro. Brother, right now, my brain chip off, because right now, I use a money and make a piece of food right now, brother. And right now, I say, John wants that, yo, brother, you that to know, bro. Because right now, I get that piece of food and get certain things done and things. Right now, I have no money at all, brother. Broke right now. Right now, I have to go link up some people right now and try to get certain things done, brother. Brother, you that to know, bro.
Yeah, man. Everything good, man. The PM actually signed off on the documents already. It's just for me to pick it up and move forward. Brandon, let me tell you, everybody in the party is tired of Daly. His arrogance is getting to almost everybody across, both my side and the opposition. He's an arrogant fellow, zero empathy for the people. He's a facade, a show, a clown.
Brother, like you know, you hear me, brother. Brother, I have to lift up. But see some people down there who look like feds, bro. Brother, be a plain clothes, bro. I'm in a trust that settings, brother. So I have to move.
You'll be my chief advisor in no time. I must get back that seat, man. It's a sure win. Don't worry about it. Yes. As soon as I get it, I will call you. Right. Look here. I want to grab a quick bite and talk to you. So don't worry about it. Yeah, man. All right, party. Cool. Seven high-powered rifles found in St. Anne, Orchard to be exact. And a cruise ship. You don't happen to know nothing about that, Silver. At least you hold true to our arrangement. By not lying to me. But let me tell you something. You see that tribalistic, dirty politics where you try to maintain a something we move from long time. I'm in a plan to go back into that. So you say, anyhow you ever mess up like this again, make the mistake and make yourself get caught up in that. Me personally, I'm gonna make sure say you go to jail for a long time, if not forever. Because I don't want that on my slate, none at all. You understand what I say?
Me I hear the minister. You see them rifle there? You done the on the way forward. You me I say, before me even link up with you. And plus, them there to protect you too.
Protect me. So what them they know?
You know, they running on the shipments and gone with everything. That's why I have to take care of myself.
So you the dead?
Not really still, but they have somebody on the ground.
So you're doing this?
Minister, you hear me I say?
No. You hear what me I say.